that will run into the ducks again. That was cool. Going back, and I don't know what the other two were. But, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Come here. Kitty. Thunder. Oh shit! I stepped on him. Sorry, boy. Whoops. I'm coming over here to. The little one wanted to see where it fed from there, so we're looking real quick here. Let's see. Well, I know where it goes, but it's just that we'll have to go up that way around. So, yay! Not now though, because it's still too cool out here. Cat, god damn it! You trying to make me fall? I think they are. Maybe not. Anyway. Yeah. It's nice to sit out here by myself. But with that, no, I'm not really never by myself because of these guys. But that's okay. As long as they don't make me fall in the pond, that's cool. Hello. Hello. Shit. Yeah, it was supposed to rain all day today, and went to the grocery store this morning. Came out. I knew I had done pick my sunglasses with me because I knew. Got out of there and they'd chemtrailed the crap and ow, girl. And yeah, now look, it's a pretty day today. Now, it was supposed to rain all day, but it's like I knew they'd do, you know. So it's a little cool, windy. So, but yeah. Been trying to stay, you know, shit, cat. I was trying to stay away from the computer today, but you know that didn't work out because I had to upload that video that I did yesterday, and then you know how that goes. But anyway, but you know, oh, that's so pretty. Check out them clouds. I hope it's picking them up. Anyway, it says glitters. I hope it's awesome. That's so cool. I love that. Anyway, sorry. Yeah. Anyway, it's easy to get distracted with it, you know. So I'm not on there half as much as I used to be, so that's a plus, you know. Still working on it, you know. It's easier for some, though, you know. Like cigarettes, you know. Some people just like that, but you know, not so easy for some people. I mean, I've never had any trouble quitting most anything but cigarettes, and I know why. You know, it's all the crap they put in them to get you addicted to them. You know, kitty. But yeah, I'm still working on that. I saw it. Sorry. There it is again. Cool. So yeah, I I don't know what else to say. It, but I don't know. Kids will be home soon. So, ow, kitty, bit me. Didn't mean to, it's just a kitten. But I hope everybody takes the time to do this. You know, come just sit outside and enjoy the nature. You know, ow, fuck, cat. It's the way they want us in these freaking big cities to where, you know, you got the solar minimum coming, and people needs to know, you know, how they can make it without being in the mega city. That's what they want. They don't want you to know. I stopped doing all that stuff because, you know, people can, you know, you can look for yourself at these things, you know. I'm no expert at this shit, you know. Far from it, you know. I just know what my dad and grandparents and stuff told us when we were kids and everything, and taught me, you know, like I could build a shelter, you know, and plant a garden and, you know, things like that. But, you know, the other stuff, you know, that's, you know, like I said, you can look that up yourself, like the cannon and stuff like that, you know. Being more self-reliant, you know. Yeah, wish I could, but, you know, it would help if I had support there, but I don't even have support in eating healthy. So, you know, it and don't even get me started on religion and beliefs and things like that. I mean, total opposite on all things anymore. To be honest, I don't even we don't even have that much in common anymore. But the kids and art, that's it. But anyway, that's life, I guess, for now. Um, I don't foresee them changing anytime soon, no matter how hard you try. You know, even though I've lived with them 18 years, you can't. He don't take to new things very well. Just put it that way. But yeah. Just do whatever works for you. You know. So, and like I said, I'm doing that, working with the website there and the art, you know, so, and having to look for a job. So, anyway, but, and you know, another thing, you know, make sure you tell people, oh wow, there was a bird. I'm sorry. Make sure you tell people how you really feel, you know, don't be afraid to tell. You know, was afraid to, and I finally have started doing that, and, you know, it makes you feel a lot better, you know, regardless if they reciprocate or whatever, you know, you got it off your chest, you know. So, but not saying that happened with me, but you know what I'm saying there. Just don't leave nothing unsaid, you know, because you never know what might happen tomorrow, you know. It's so quiet, peaceful here. See a squirrel nest. Wish I could zoom in on it. And there went the cat. Um, anyway. Okay, here's the pond again. Whee! So pretty. But I'm gonna go for now. But I'll see y'all sometime. Don't know when. But remember what I said there. Peace and love. I love you.